Hello everybody, welcome. Now then, I need to do something today that's going to cook itself virtually. So I'm going to be doing joint of beef in my slow cooker. Quite busy today, got a few things to do. So basically it's got to do itself, which it does, then once you prepare it, you pull it in and let it go. So I've got a joint of beef that cost me £9.80 something from Aldi. It's quite big though, 1.4 kilo. Got myself 2 red onions. Having a bit of broccoli with it. Got a bit of thyme. Got some carrots, I haven't prepared them yet, I'll prepare them in a bit. I'm having roast potatoes with it as well, they're over there. I've got stock cube, beef stock cube, and I'm going to do a red wine stock cube as well. I'm going to do half and half with that, mix it together. And a bit of salt and pepper. And I've also got, I want to brown all the meat off first. So I'm going to use a bit of Wagyu beef dripping just to get the flavour in there. Don't need to with your beef, you can just see it as it is. But I just want to get a bit of flavour in there while I've got it, that's all. So, go over to the pan, we'll get that browned up, get it in the Instant Pot, away we go. I just said Instant Pot then, I'm not Instant Pot, slow cooker. So before we start, while that pan's heating up, I'm just going to get some salt and pepper on here. Get a coat. I have dried it, it's been out about an hour. I have got to get things going quite quick, to be honest with you. Wash my hands, bit of pepper. And just a little drop of oil to rub it in, just a little drop, because I'm using the Wagyu. I'm not cutting any of the fat off it or anything. I want to get all that nice and brown and so. Right, the pan should be hot enough now. Wash my hands again. Right, I'm going to get a teaspoon of Wagyu in there, or just a bit anyway. Get that melted up. A bit hard. Do a bit more than that. Come on, get that flavour. It's been in the fridge, you see. There we go, that'll do. Get that melted. Right, I'm going to get my beef in now. I'll let that warm up for a minute. When I eat, we'll turn it up a bit early. And we're going to brown that off. Right, that's all sealed nicely now. Oh yes, nice little seal. I'm going to turn that off. This is going to go straight into my Instant Pot. Keep saying Instant Pot. Slow cooker. Oh yes, that fat is not going to go to waste. I'm going to use that fat there for my roasters. So that's not going to waste. I want to get my onions in. Whoops, the camera. And so I'm not putting any garlic in or anything. Can if you want to, I'm not. Nice and simple. I want a little bit of thyme. You can put some basil leaves in, I suppose, if you want to. Put in what you want. That'll do. And I'll put 400 ml of water in. I'll put hot water in. With one each of the stock cubes. There we go. I'm not going to fill it up to, a lot of people fill it up to the meat up to the water, the stock up to the top. I'm not. That's about perfect for me. Well, there's not a lot I can do now until about an hour to go or something like that when I put in my carrots. And I was thinking with my roasters, I might do them in the air fryer. I've never done them in the air fryer before. I usually do them in the oven because I prefer them in the oven. I mean, I don't know if I prefer them, I've never tried them in the air fryer. But I might try them in the air fryer for once and see how I get on. Yeah, so I'll do that. So that's got to go on for hours and hours now, so I'll leave that out of the way. I've got to go and do what I've got to do, and I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, I'm back. It's been a chaotic day. I think my meat might be a little bit overcooked, but hey up, there we go. I won't know till I cut it open. I've done my potatoes. I've drained them and they're just there steaming at the minute. Now I want to use some of this dripping, so I'm going to get that warmed up, just to warm it up. I've got the air fryer on, so I'm warming the pan up to put the roasters in, and get a bit of oil in there so we can get it nice and crispy if we can. So as soon as that's done, we'll get them in a little drop in the potatoes and give them a shake. It's chaotic, honestly, it's been a chaotic day. But the meat looks nice, it smells delicious. Let me show you what that's heating up. Gonna be able to see it. Man, that likes her beef well done anyway. I prefer mine a bit bloody, well a bit pink, but not too bothered. I'll just put it on. I'm going to put it on low in a minute. But there it is. I wonder if you can see properly. Looking delicious. I did put my carrots in there. Right, there's my potatoes. Steaming up. Lovely. Want a bit of salt. I did already salt them, but I want a bit more salt. And I want some pepper. And I want just a little bit of the fat, the dripping, whatever you want to call it, just a drop. Plenty. All that goodness. Give that a shake. Not a big one, don't need a big one. Boom. Put them to the side. Chaos. I want to get this tin. Should be boiling up that tin should. At the air fryer. So I've never done these in the air fryer before. I'm going to have a go. I'm going to put a bit of oil in because I like stuff like that. Your roasters with a lot more oil. I don't know how you do them in the air fryer properly. But I'm putting oil in mine anyway. It's all hot. And then we're going to get these in. Might have overpacked the pan a bit there. Let me see, maybe I've got to take one out. It might be okay actually. Don't want to overpack the pan. And that's sneaking in the corner, checking what I'm doing. Keeping an eye on me, ain't you, Bab? That's hot. Smells lovely, does it? Smells lovely, Anne, that says.
Making me hungry.
Making you hungry? Well, busy day. Right, they're going in the air fryer now for, I don't know, till they're done. Never done them in there, so I don't know how long they take. And I'll bring you back when it's all done. Chaos. I forgot to put my broccoli in, so I'm just boiling that away now. The roasters are coming on. I'm going to get my meat out. I'm going to leave my meat to rest. What I made like a little boat. So I want to collect all the juice, otherwise it's all going to go over the side. So I'm going to get my meat out. Oh yes. Smells delicious. There it is. Might be a bit overdone for my liking, but hey, I'm just going to leave that now to rest for 10-15 minutes. Then we'll dish up. Right, I'm going to cut the meat up now. Looks a bit for my liking, but anyway, we'll see. It's the end bit. Yeah, I've got to do it ready for me, but I think I'm not like this. But so I couldn't really keep an eye on it because I was really busy, but hey, I bet it still tastes delicious. Let me know how you like your beef. Do you like it well done or do you like it bloody? I like mine bloody. Try a little bit while we're here, while we're waiting. Really soft. Really soft. Falling away. That's nice. There we go then. There's the meat. roaster should be virtually about done. Roasters are done. Right, I'm going to dish up then. Right, put the table, as you know by now. Looks delicious, smells delicious. You can probably hear around that. Hold on, I've got to do something. I've got to put another phone on to record because of that noise. In case I get that noise come back, and I can use the audio off that one otherwise. We'll see. See what happens. Yeah, let me show you. There we go. It's not a Sunday, it's a Monday. We didn't have a Sunday dinner yesterday, did we, Bab?
No.
And so I need to do something that could do itself, and that's quite nice, actually. That's stuck right in, she's not coming on. And that just says the roast potatoes are a lot better in the oven. I haven't tried them yet. I'm going to try them in a minute. A lot better in the oven.
They're not the same.
Not the same?
No, nowhere near. I'm not being nasty, they're nowhere near. They're still not.
Convenient though, because they only took like 20 minutes for convenient. Well, it might take like an hour and a half.
But I'm just saying, I won't be long.
So what you mean? Yeah.
They're not as near as good as the ones in the oven.
So with mine, because if I do the meat in the oven and the roaster's going as well at the bottom shelf, so they're cooking at the same time. But yeah, for convenience, for like 20 minutes or whatever, 25 minutes or whatever they took. If you ain't putting the oven on, the convenience ain't that. That's going no. You prefer to have the extra in the gas, would you, Bab? Would you? And have the oven ones. Bless you.
They're not. They're all right.
They're not bad, are they?
No,
they're not bad. It's not horrible.
But because I'm so used to having your roast
oven ones, yeah. Yeah, the ones in the oven are a lot better, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're done a lot slower, aren't they? I mean, you could do them slow in there, I suppose, couldn't you? Just turn it down.
No, no.
It's getting all that juice together and incorporated,
There's none
isn't it?
of that in there. Because there isn't any of that. It's just like
all the flavours together, innit?
Yeah.
I get what you mean.
I know what I'm trying to say. I can't get my words out.
What do you think of the beef?
It's nice.
It's about right for you, innit? Perfect for you, innit?
I don't like bloody food.
You don't like bloody red food, do you?
Pink food. No. I won't eat it.
No.
A bit funny.
So when me, I prefer it, but I'm not bothered. I'll eat it anyhow. But yeah, there we go.
It's still nice. It's lovely.
Nice and soft, isn't it? Maybe a bit more salt. Enjoying it?
Very nice, thank you. It's lovely.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
You're going to eat your greens today?
I'll eat my broccoli, but I didn't eat my carrots.
There we go. It's been in about, I think it's been in about 5 hours, I think. Yeah, it's been in about 5 hours, so I didn't think it'd be that well done, but obviously it was.
We've been really busy, and it's the time's
Ain't stopped. Yeah, haven't stopped. So that's why I was going to do Yorkshire puddings, I just didn't have time. But yeah, we're enjoying it, ain't we, Bab? Enjoying it.
It's my favourite meat anyway.
You love beef, don't you?
Yep.
Show you again, I'm tucking in. There we go. Loads left. I mean, that beef was quite expensive, but beef is expensive now. Broccoli's looking nice. Broccoli looks nice for once from Aldi. Fresh broccoli.
It's nice and fresh.
Got caught it at the right time this morning, didn't I? What's for pudding? I didn't buy any pudding.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. I think the most is okay. They're livable, aren't they?
Yeah, they're not horrible, but if you want roast potatoes with juices and all the flavours, then...
And slow cooked with that right crispiness and tenderness.
Yeah, because I'm spoilt with your roast potatoes, so...
But there we go. Slow cooked beef. I could have finished the roast potatoes off in there, I suppose, in the what's it called? Slow cooker, but
It doesn't matter.
now we like them crunchy, don't we?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Not soggy.
They're still nice.
There you go anyway. Another recipe. Probably all over the place again. As I say, I am the old food guy. Sun's shining in my eyes now. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. What would you mark that out of 10 then, Bab? Give us a mark out of 10. Ignore the roasters because you don't seem to like them. You eat them but you don't really like them. What do you think of the beef?
I give ya beef on the broccoli and the gravy. I give ya 9.5.
Ooh, 9.5. That's good.
Only because I'm fussy with roast potatoes,
Yeah.
so.
Would it be a 10 if it was
spoiled.
roast potatoes are normal?
Yeah, proper over
A
10.
10? A 10 if I'd have done my proper roast potatoes. Wow.
But I know you've been busy today, bless you, so.
Oh,
I'll
no.
let you off.
Okay, thank you.
Just this once.
Okay. I'd prefer the meat pinker, but I'm not bothered because
Do you know what?
you
I
wouldn't.
wouldn't have been bothered if it was just a little bit more, like, what do you call it?
Colour.
Not pink, but I wouldn't mind it
Medium well
because
done.
it's in.
Because it's in the thingy.
Yeah, but if it was fried and put on my plate. But I like beef anyway, I don't care. Well, I do like beef, but yeah.
There we go. See you later. Bye bye. 9.5 off that. Hey, get in there. Bye bye.